In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add exercise calories on MyFitnessPal full guide. If you've ever finished a workout and wondered how to see those burned calories reflected in your daily goal, this walkthrough will get you set up clearly and correctly so your totals adjust throughout the day. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the smoothest experience. On the welcome screen, tap Login. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard and you can skip ahead. If not, enter your email address and password carefully, then tap Login again. A quick tip here: if you've forgotten your credentials, use the password reset option rather than creating a duplicate account so your data stays in one place. Once you land on the main dashboard, go to your profile. This is where key settings and goals live. From your profile, choose Goals. Think of this area as the control center for how MyFitnessPal calculates your daily targets, including calories, macros, and activity adjustments. Inside Goals, look for the setting related to exercise calories. Tap it to open the exercise adjustment options. This is where you enable MyFitnessPal to add or subtract calories based on your activity. Now turn on Adjust My Calorie Goal. With this switch enabled, MyFitnessPal will update your remaining calories throughout the day to reflect workouts you log manually, as well as activity imported from connected apps or devices. If you use a fitness tracker, this setting helps align your calorie budget with your actual movement rather than a fixed estimate. After turning it on, confirm your choice by tapping the checkmark or save option on your screen. That final confirmation makes sure the change is applied. If you don't see your calories update right away, give the app a moment to sync, especially if activity is coming from another service. A couple of helpful notes. Exercise adjustments can go both ways. If you're less active than your baseline, you might see a negative adjustment. That's normal and helps keep your goals accurate. Also, if your workouts seem to add too many calories, double check that your activity entries and intensity levels are realistic, and consider cross-referencing with your wearables estimates. That's it. You've enabled exercise calories to adjust your daily goal automatically. From now on, log your workouts, keep your devices synced, and watch your calorie target update so you can fuel your day with confidence.